Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a league in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Fantasy app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Teams. Once you are in, tap on League at the top right corner. After that, tap on League Manager Tools, then Basic Settings. Before you delete, note that only league you own can be deleted. If you are not the owner, you will need to leave the league instead. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page, look for Delete League or Remove League. It usually in red text, tap Delete League and a confirmation message will appear. It will warn you that this action cannot be on. Tap Yes or Confirm to delete the league permanently. If you don't own the league, you won't see the delete option. Instead, scroll down and tap Leave League to remove it from your account. And that's it. Your league is now deleted or removed from your ESPN Fantasy Football app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.